Hi, Mr. Hill. So I'm gonna do a word problem. Basically, two word problems for the good marks, And the first one is for linear equations, substitution or elimination. And do you know what I choose, Mr. Hill? I choose I might have misspelled this, but it's fine. But the first step, I can't tell you because I want you guys to try first. Because learning is by trying it by yourself. You can't play hockey just by watching hockey videos, can you? So I'll let you try first. I'll count to 3 seconds. Here we go. Did you guys try? Now let's see if you're correct. The first step is to label the important pieces from this word problem. Just follow what I do if you didn't do it. The guarantee pool repair charges $50 for a service and plus $4 per hour and charges $30 per hour. Plus 45. And yeah. Hope you did well. Let's do step 2, which is to define the two variables that you would be using. For example, let H be the number of hours of service, and let C be the cost at a service. There we go. I'll explain now, because H should be the hours for 45 hours, 40 hours, and yeah. It should be the number of services, because it's supposed to be a service, right? So a service call, $40 per hour, $45 plus per hour for service. Because for services, and C should be a cost, because that's the cost. So $40 plus, now it's plus 45, $5 for the labor. I hope you understand. So let's go to step 3. We did step 2. Let's move on to step 3. Which first, let's get some space. Now, step 3 should be to make 2 equations for substitution. The first equation could be C, which is cost, equals to 40 hour plus 50. And the second equation, the first, could be C equals 45 plus 50. That could be our second equation, because we got 40 for 40 hours, which represents hours, and 50 represents 50, the cost. And we got cost equals 45, which is also hours. And I'm sorry, this is supposed to be 30. It's somewhere here, which also represents cost. Let's move on to step 4. If If you keep up this far, then good job. You're doing good. Okay, so let's do this. I'm on step 4, I think now. And let's solve this main thing. So just follow along. 48 plus 50 equals 45 plus 30. But now we gotta move to the other side, so we gotta do negative 48, which cancels out, and negative 30, because we're doing negative 30 here, and we're doing negative 40. So we switch sides, so they can cancel out. And now we have, let me see, yeah, so now we have 50 minus 30 equals to 40, what do you call it, 45 h minus, I think, minus 40 h. So let's do it. 50 minus 30 is 20. And 45 minus 40 is 5. So if we divide by 5, we should get 4 equals 8. Now we gotta move it right here and sub in. So C equals 40, but we gotta add the 4 because we're subbing it in, plus 50. Now we do C equals 160 because 40 times 4 is 160 plus 50. So C should equal 210. That should be our equation. So now let's that should be our answer. Now let's write a statement, a concluding statement, like both companies charge $210 for 4 hours of work. We solved this entire thing. Now I'll give you one more example. So let's do it. Example 2. Let's solve it. So we know from the first example that we label the important stuff, like the sum and the 2 numbers is 1, 2 number, this is important, and 1 of the number is 2 or 3 greater than all the and the 2 other. Now we're done the first part, which is labeling the important stuff. Now the second thing is to do what we did the first time. Let's let y be the smaller number. And let's oh wait, this is x. I forgot. Let y be the larger number. Now we did step 2. So let's solve it. But first, let's write our two equations. So equation 1 can be x plus y equals negative 1, 2, 1. And let's make our second equation to y equals 203 plus x. Now we have our equations. So now let's solve it. Yeah, let's solve it, I guess. The first step should be, wait, I'm gonna let you guys try it first, because remember, the only way to learn is by trying. You can't get good at math just by watching it. You have to try it. So I'll come back after 3 seconds. You can pause the video if you want to. Let's go. Alright, did you guys solve it? If not, don't worry. Let's solve it together. So now what we do is basically sub it into 1. So if we just move it right here for more space, and now we do x plus 203 plus x equals 121. Now the second step should be to 2x equals wait, let me see real quick. Yeah, it should be fine. Oh yeah, it works, yeah. 2 negative 1 2 1 minus 203, because x plus x equals 2x. Oh yeah, this is one sec, negative 203 now, and we move to the other side, which made it cancel. It's cancel out. Now it makes it, now it's on the other side, which is 203. So the equation now should be 2x equals negative 201 minus 203, which should be negative 2x equals, wait a second, maybe I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I have to recheck it. One sec. So I'm back. So I think I'm not wrong. It's I'm just gonna guess it. So it's negative 3, 2, 4. Now let's divide it by 2. That's what gives us x equals. One sec, I need a calculator. Okay, is it recording? Yeah. Okay, so I was correct. I was not messing it up. I was doing it properly. So x equals 162. That's x, which is great. We got our y, and we got our x. Now, we just gotta do one more step, which is, oh wait, I'm not done yet, I forgot. Yeah, we gotta do this. Well, x equals 203 minus 162, and that will give us 41. I have double check, so yeah. That is our x. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, because it's gonna take a long time if I